We have to plan out how we would be adding the value addition. It sounds very romantic, very flattering to say that we'll become Viksit Bharat. What is the actual roadmap is something which requires certain indices. So one has to ponder where the value addition will come from. So one is technology. Second is that we have tried to now venture into the hitherto unexplored or underexplored sectors, which was not looked at for the last 60, 70 years. One of them, of course, space, which I don't have to repeat. We were just about zero economy. Now we are 8 billion US economy, and the pace of rise has been so rapid that we hope to be nearly 5 times higher by 40 or 45 billion in another 10 years or so. And we have just dispelled one-digit startup in space. Today we have nearly 400 startups, some of them world class. And living up to the true spirit of what the Prime Minister keeps saying, Vishwa Bandhu Bharat. Some of the experiments which were conducted by Subhashu Shukla, particularly related to life sciences, biogenesis, the effect of gadgets on the mental faculties, and similarly also in the plant biology, are the ones which are going to be first of its kind, but they are going to be benefiting the entire world. So an Indian doing experiment for the benefit of the entire world is actually the true translation of what is known to be the Vishwa Bandhu Bharat. The second area is, of course, our oceans. We have about 11,000 kilometers long coastal area with our 12 states, one of the longest. We are the only country which has an ocean called Indian Ocean. And if we are able to, we've already ventured into that. We'll be also setting the deep, the Prime Minister launched the Deep Ocean Mission from the ramparts of Red Fort, not once but twice he announced. And we have such a huge amount of wealth of metals, minerals, fisheries that we are able to explore it. We would be reaching that one even before 2047. And the other day I was delighted in telling some of the bureaucrats that soon we might have to look at the illegal mining happening in the bottom of the sea, which you knew of the central thing. Similarly, the other area, of course, is biotechnology, which has given India artistic praise. We are going to be first to have a DNA vaccine in COVID. And the fourth unexplored is where we are standing, the Himalayas, this source of aroma, floriculture, which has been unexplored. And at the same time, the fourth aspect that we have to bear in mind is that as we think of adding value to the economy in the years to come, there's going to be a huge paradigm shift of economy. It's no longer going to be the same as it is today. And the view held by the economists across the world is that it will gradually shift from being dominantly manufacturing to dominantly regenerative, recycling, genetically driven processes. And this has been realized earlier than us by those who were actually depending on petroleum products. The Gulf countries have already started moving out of the petroleum sector, realizing that this is not going to change. And when we are able to achieve that, that would also help us address the geopolitical dynamics and make us Atmanirbhar Bharat, because we have our own sources of fuel, etc. So, and all these areas have been successfully explored because in the last 11 years we have tried to follow the global strategies. If we think of playing a global role, we have to follow the global strategy. We have to follow the global benchmarks. We can't be competing within ourselves and then think of. And one of the important aspects was breaking the barriers between the private and the public sector, which we saw just not happening. And that is also one of the success stories behind this. We have to learn to give up that skepticism between the private and the public sector. So we draw comparisons with NASA, we draw comparisons with the other agency, but we forget that they never depend on government. In fact, वहाँ पे लोगों को अपनी फुर्सत ही नहीं कि सरकार से कोई मांग करे. जैसे वाइस चांसलर साहब ने की, ये भी चाहिए, I'm not faulting you, but because the system is like that. तो विदेश में कुछ चलना नहीं खत्म हो गया. जो विकसित देश हैं, उनके पास इतना वक्त भी नहीं है कि सरकार के कॉरिडोर तक जाए. So unless we devise that method, and that is possible only by involving private sector, which the Atal Innovation Mission. I have to compliment Dr. Bala for these beautiful partners that you displayed over here. And यही था the success story behind. We have in fact now put in place a frame structure for collaboration. And that is the secret of success. For space, for example, we have put a structure called InSpace, which is an interface between private and public sector. It determines the nature of collaboration, the scale of collaboration, the entities who had to collaborate. And encouraged by that, we have recreated the same because the multiple departments that I am associated with. Also in biotechnology, called BioRack, Biotechnology Innovation Research Application Council, which again does that. And all these stories, vaccine, etc., have emanated from them. And today I must say that India is now in a position where our esteem has gone up. The world is also looking up to us. We are no longer a country which was about 10-15 years behind others. The others would perform something and we would learn from their success. Like for example, in the case of television which happened in the US in 1950s. The famous election where Kennedy turned the tables on Nixon happened as a result of a TV debate, but we didn't know in 1960 what is TV and what is debate. So today it's no longer so. We are among 3 or 4 countries which are into quantum mission. We are among the first who have launched a dedicated biotechnology policy, BioE3. The meaning may not be realized today, but tomorrow, when the entire revolution, because it is said the next revolution is going to be biotech driven, just as the last revolution was IT driven in 1990. So when that happens, India would have already initiated itself. So we are now either equal to them or ahead of them. Similarly, our Chandrayaan also gave that esteem. Though America landed a human being on the surface of Moon in 1969, and I was saying in Lighter Vein the other day, he had a stroke, made that famous statement, one small step for man, giant step for mankind, and dialogue became very famous. I said he went around but didn't see the presence of water around him. It was our Chandrayaan which picked up the proof of H2O being there and the possibilities of habitat. Vaccine, as I said, is important because why that has given India esteem is that India was never taken seriously as a healthcare country. Even in society, आपके माशरे में कोई बीमार हो जाता है 4-5 दिन तो किसी पीर के पास या किसी दरगाह वरगाह पे जाके गुजारा होता है, फिर 5वें-7वें दिन सोचते हैं. तो ऐसा बोल के जहाँ पे therapeutic healthcare was not taken seriously, we became leaders in preventive healthcare by gifting this vaccine to 30 years ago. So, similarly in genetics, जो आने वाला है, we are among the first who have done a successful trial again in private sector. We collaborated with the Christian Medical College, the Missionary College in Lahore, and did the first ever successful trial through genes by developing factor 8 in hemophilia, which is a bleeding disorder. And that got a publication in the New England Journal of Medicine, which is the oldest journal among the science journals. It's about 200 years old. So while saying all this, and जैसे कि राज्यपाल महोदय ने भी कहा और उससे पहले बाकी सब वक्ताओं ने भी कि J&K has an opportunity now because this is an unexplored sector, this is an explored area. But somehow we are not changing our mindset. The problem is that we are still living in yesterday. But the youth have moved on. So that's why I spend more of the time with the children so that I can learn from them. The Purple Revolution, बैंगनी क्रांति, जिसका जिक्र प्रधानमंत्री ने 6-7 मिनट लगा करके मन की बात में किया, उसकी पैदाइश उसका जन्म हुआ एक तो गुलमर्ग से एक भद्रवाह से, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ उसका जिक्र नहीं होता. मीडिया को भी इसमें दिलचस्पी नहीं है. मीडिया को इस बात में दिलचस्पी होगी कोई मुझे गाली निकाले फिर वो मुझे पूछेगा आपको कैसा लगे, तो मैं पहले कहता हूँ मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा, so that the debate doesn't move on further. But the point is that it is our stake. आज 3,500 लेवेंडर स्टार्टअप्स लाखों में खेल रहे, 2-3 बच्चे कॉर्पोरेट की नौकरियां छोड़ करके वापस आए. And Prime Minister spent 7 minutes describing where is Gulmarg, where is Bhadrawa. एक पहाड़ी जिला है डोडा, उसका छोटा कस्बा है Bhadrawa. Realizing the importance of it. So Jammu Kashmir has already started contributing. That is called Aroma Mission. And now we have the Floriculture Mission. जिन बच्चों ने फ्लोरिकल्चर मिशन में they are playing in lakhs because now you order, you keep bouquets on order. You can उसको कह सकते हैं मुझे लाल गुलाब चाहिए, आप कह सकते हैं काला गुलाब चाहिए, आप कहते हैं सफेद गुलाब चाहिए, हर चीज में ऑर्डर होने लगी. In fact, I don't know how many of you have realized, जब जनवरी के महीने में ट्यूलिप चढ़ाया था प्रधानमंत्री ने अयोध्या मंदिर में, तो आई वाज आस्किंग इवन मीडिया पीपल देयर, मैं कहता हूं आपने इतनी इन्वेस्टिगेटिव जर्नलिस्ट हो, आपने ये नहीं पूछा कि जनवरी के महीने में ट्यूलिप कहाँ है, ये तो मई जून में होता. एंड डू यू नो इट वाज डेवलप्ड बाय आवर इंस्टीट्यूट इन पालनपुर, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ हिमालयन. तो हमें हमारे भी हम पहले निकल पड़े हैं उस सफर पे, उस मकाम की तरफ निकल पड़े हैं। लेकिन अब क्या है कि वी आर नॉट एक्चुअली, हमारा माइंड सेट नहीं बदल रहा, अभी वो सरकारी नौकरी के उसमें फंस गया। सो दैट इज व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी चेंज। एंड फ्लोरिकल्चर इज द Lucknow Institute has created a lotus कमल का फूल 108 पत्ती का, which has a divine relevance और सेल्फी पॉइंट। हम किसी अखबार ने रिपोर्ट नहीं किया, लेकिन कौन बनेगा करोड़पति में अमिताभ बच्चन ने उसका सवाल पूछा, एंड a lady earned couple of lakhs। यानी we have already started making buzz, our Himalayan resources, our aroma resources। Similarly यहाँ पर हमारा और हमारी ये लेगेसी है, ये मिंट की गोलियां जो सारी दुनिया में चलती हैं, शायद हमें भी नहीं मालूम कि मेंथॉल यहीं से पैदा हुआ था। कर्नल रामनाथ चोपड़ा ने 1942 में यहाँ पर आकर के रिसर्च शुरू किया था मिंट के ऊपर, IIIM। फिर उसके बाद वो लखनऊ चले गए, तो मार्केटिंग इसकी लखनऊ हुई 1950s और वो सारी दुनिया में मकबूल हुआ। और आज भी हमारे यहाँ पर एक सैफरॉन कमीशन में हमारा चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब भी बैठे हैं, किश्तवाड़ वाला भी काम शुरू हुआ है, तो अच्छा यहाँ पानपुर में तो काम शुरू हो गया। सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज दैट J&K हैज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड कंट्रीब्यूटिंग, एंड द मिसिंग लिंक्स आर बीइंग ओवरकम बाय अटल इनोवेशन मिशन। आई हैव टू कंप्लीट देम, 10,000 they have, and in India, as I think Diwali was mentioning, 127 in J&K you have। and what is important is कि जो मैराथन का जिक्र हो रहा था, out of the first 1,000 toppers, top teams, 50 have been from J&K। So that's a big number considering the size and the volume of this team। And राज्यपाल महोदय ने आपको उदाहरण भी दिए, अनेकों छोटे छोटे स्कूल, बारामूला से हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल है, अनंतनाग से, गांधरबल से, जम्मू से उन्होंने बताया। और गांधरबल के स्कूल ने तो एक इसरो के लिए पेलोड भी तैयार किया, और उसमें उनको बच्चों को शायद किसी ने बताया नहीं होगा, उनके उस्ताद ने, कि सतीश धवन द फाउंडर ऑफ स्पेस वाज बोर्न इन श्रीनगर। ये तो हमारी खुदा काश मैं दीवाना होता तो हमें हस्ती से बेगाना होता। तो सतीश धवन was born in Srinagar and went to Bangalore to establish the Department of Space। So you must tell those children that they are actually living up to the legacy of the founding father of this। This was the first thing that occurred to me when I saw that report। And abhi I think I have to compliment for this new announcement of Frontier program। इसमें से total 2,500 adult tinkering labs you are doing it, out of which again 500 alone in J&K। So again a huge number, because they are giving a dedicated priority to Northeast Jammu Kashmir aspiration districts, and J&K to that extent among these is getting the maximum share। And now as far as the startups are concerned, we are already number 3, we have gone up from 350 to 1.7। लेकिन इसमें before I conclude, 2-3 important things with the myths which have to be created, which are particularly prevalent in this part of the country, और इसलिए इतना हम पिकअप नहीं कर पा रहे। एक तो ये लगता है कि साहब स्टार्टअप होने के लिए कहीं मुंबई बेंगलौर में रहने की जरूरत है, ऐसा नहीं। बिकॉज आई एम अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ साइंस, आई डोंट टॉक विदाउट फिगर्स। 50%, 49% of startups are from tier 2, tier 3, सूरत से, अहमदाबाद से, विजयवाड़ा से। बिकॉज मुंबई वाले बच्चे नहीं जाते हैं उसमें, वहां पर बिकॉज एस्पिरेशनल अर्ज इज मोर इन द बीट हाउस। मुंबई में तो इतना बड़ा बॉलीवुड है, वहां कोई दरवाजा खटखटाएगा, जाता है, हीरो बनने, हीरो नहीं बनता, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर बनता, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर नहीं बनता, क्लैपर बॉय बनता, वो नहीं बनता, कैंटीन खोल लेता, भूखा नहीं बनता। लेकिन ये यहाँ पर अर्ज है। इसी तरह से एक यहाँ बड़ा मिथ है कि साहब हम कहाँ करेंगे, वो तो प्रोफेसर नीलूफर तो इतनी बड़ी पढ़ाई कर चुकी है, विद्वान है, ऐसा भी नहीं है। ये जो आपके यहाँ से जम्मू कश्मीर से जो पर्पल रेवोल्यूशन निकला है, उसके कम से कम 20% ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो ग्रेजुएशन भी नहीं किए। सो गोइंग बैक टू व्हाट अटल बिहारी जी वाज सेइंग, यू नीड टू हैव पैशन, जुनून, हैंड होल्डिंग, एंड यू शुड बी अ गुड लर्नर, एंड एवरी डे यू हैव टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू। और वो हैंड होल्डिंग सरकार कर रही है, वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग एंड टेक्निकल, एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई विल कंक्लूड सेइंग कि एक तो अर्ली इंडस्ट्री लिंकेज is what I am glad Dr. Bagla has already realized, and all these success, इसके लिए भी हमें फ्लोरिकल्चर और ये अरोमा मिशन के लिए हमने वहीं पर खेतों में ही डिस्टिलेशंस लगवाई है। प्राइवेट अदर की कंपनी है, उसका नाम नहीं लेंगे, सब जानते हैं। वैसे 4 पुश्तों से वो चला रहे हैं, ईरान से अतर आता था उनका, वो यहाँ से उठा करके मुंबई में बेचते थे एक शीशी 15,000 रुपये। सो अर्ली इंडस्ट्री लिंकेज यू हैव, यू मेक देम इन्वेस्ट एंड देन दे वुड लाइक टू एक्सट्रैक्ट मनी फॉर दैट। और दूसरा, व्हाट आई हैव स्टार्टेड डूइंग इन रिसर्च करके कि प्लीज आस्क वन ऑफ द पेरेंट्स ऑफ ईच ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन नेक्स्ट टाइम, बिकॉज ऑल योर एफर्ट गोज वेस्ट। मुझे कहना दीपक बावला तो मिशन डायरेक्टर बन गया, अटल टुल्लू साहब आईएएस बन के चीफ सेक्रेटरी बन गए, प्रोफेसर नीलूफर तो फर्स्ट वुमन वाइस चांसलर, उनका भी तारीख में नाम हो गया। दूसरे ने इधर उधर घूम के मंत्री पद ले लिया, तो तुम्हारा वक्त जाया करना। So awareness is equally required for the parents because it's not their fault, because कोई वालिदैन नहीं चाहता कि अपनी औलाद का नुकसान हो, लेकिन उनका माइंडसेट अभी वहाँ है, they are not exposed to these values, and once they realize कि आखिर जो बच्चे गवर्नमेंट की नौकरियां छोड़ करके आ रहे हैं, इसका मतलब है कि इसमें आमदन का भी जरिया बहुत ज्यादा है। और इसलिए when Atal Innovation Mission takes this initiative in the valley of Kashmir, so we can understand, and is also targeting these boys and girls. आप 2047 की बात करते हैं, तब के यही नागरिक होंगे, और they will be in the prime of their age, 30s and 40s, and they will also be the torch bearers of that Viksit Bharat, which means through them Jammu Kashmir has already become a torch bearer of India's journey towards destination 2047. Thank you. Thank you.